guys, I just won 706.50 with a bet of 25, so I just wanted to show you guys in this video. Just won 755, guys. I'm very happy. I'm very happy today. So I won 755 using I was buying with 25 rand 0.05, and then after that I deposited only 100 rand, yes, and I was buying with a small until I raised 700 and something. So I'm going to end this video here. I wish you saw everything that I did so far, but I just said let me show you, share with you guys my win.